In this SQL challenge, we're going to learn how to solve a medium-level difficulty problem called ranking hosts by beds by Airbnb. Now let's look at the problem below. We need to rank each host based on the total number of beds they have across all their properties. The host with the most beds should be ranked first, and the host with the fewest beds should be ranked last. If two hosts have the same number of beds, they should share the same rank, and there should be no gaps in the ranking sequence. And we are given one table called Airbnb apartments. Here, we will focus on three key columns: host ID, which identifies each host, and beds, which tells us the number of beds in a specific apartment. To solve this problem, we need to calculate the total number of beds each host has across all the apartments, and then rank each host based on this total. In the SQL editor, we will start out by insert the SQL statement to select the host ID and calculate the total beds for each host. Now that we have the total number of beds for each host, our next step is to assign a rank to each host based on this total bed count. We want the host with the most beds to be ranked first, and we want ranks to be consecutive, even if there are ties. To achieve this, we'll use the dense rank window function. Start with the keyword dense rank. Then add the over clause to tells SQL to perform the ranking over the data we've selected. Inside the parentheses of over clause, specify the order for our ranking by adding order by sum of number of beds descending. This means we want the ranking to be based on the total number of beds each host has. We order it in descending order so that the host with the most beds receives the highest rank, which is 1. Finally, give the ranking column an alias rank by bed count to make the output column name more readable. If we run the query, from the output, host number 10 with 16 total beds ranked first, host number 3 ranked second with 8 beds, and so on. Now review the output to ensure everything is correct. Then click Check Solution, and the system will mark the solution as solved. And that is everything I am going to cover for this tutorial. Hopefully, you guys find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.